Hello there, I'm Vanessa. I'm from France and I live in Mexico. And what I do is that I help people overcome obstacles in life and past trauma to live their best life. So I have been the founder of the Great 16 non-profit organization for author, healers, and writers since a long time now. Hello, I am Vanessa, the founder of Equality 16 nonprofit for writers, authors, and healers. So, what I do since 2016 is that I help people go and live their best life. And so, with my 3,000 hours in psychology training and my hypnosis certification and Reiki healing, and my 17 years as a massage therapist, I believe that I can help you to overcome obstacles in your life and reach your best life. So, uh, message me and let's see each other on a Zoom call for 15 minutes, and I'd love to know more about you.